40 વર્ષ પહેલાં આજના દિવસે 40 દિવસ પહેલાં અમારા જીવનમાં આવી અમારી જીવનને ખુશીઓથી ભરી દીધું. પ્રી મેચ્યોર બેબી હોય અવારનવાર નાની મોટી બીમારીથી ઘેરાતો રહ્યો. તેમાં શરીરના વિકાસ સાથે જાણે કે બુદ્ધિમત્તા પણ રૂંધાતી લાગતી. લોકો કહેતા કે પ્રીમેચ્યોર બેબી બહુ જ ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ હોય, જે અમને સરાસર ખાલી ખોટું આશ્વાસન જ લાગતું. પરંતુ સ્કૂલમાં 4+3=9 કે પછી 3×2=7 ગણવાવાળો પ્રણવ આજ પોતાની કંપનીમાં વગર સર્ટિફિકેટના SAP પ્રોગ્રામથી કંપનીના મોટા મોટા મહારથીઓને પણ માત કરી કંપનીમાં પોતાનું ખાસ સ્થાન બનાવી રહ્યો છે. એમાં પણ એકાકીપણું જેને સ્વભાવ હતો તે તું આજ કંપનીના ગ્રુપ ડિસ્કશનમાં કંપનીના હિતમાં ઠોસ દલીલના ગુણાકાર કરતો થઈ ગયો છે, જે જોતાં ક્યાં મા બાપને ગર્વ ન થાય. બસ આજના શુભ દિવસે ગર્વથી તારા લક્ષણને પામી અને સ્વપ્ન સાકાર થાય તે જ શુભેચ્છાઓ. ડેડીના ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ.
દીકરા, લવ યુ, મિસ યુ, એન્જોય યોર ડે.
जय श्री कृष्णा. जन्मदिन की 40वीं सालगिरह में बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आप सब परिवार मस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, प्रसन्न रहें, दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करें. आने वाला हर पल आपको खुशियों से भरपूर हो, कभी दुखों का सामना न करना पड़े. प्रभु आपकी सभी मनोकामनाएं पूर्ण करें. हमारा आशीर्वाद सदा आपके साथ है. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपके जन्मदिन की. आप बहुत खुश हैं आज, हम भी बहुत खुश हैं. आप जियो हजारों साल के दिन हो 50,000. जय हो. थैंक यू कंवर साहब.
વિશ યુ મેની મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. 40મો જન્મદિવસ તારો આવી રહ્યો છે, એ બદલ અમે તને શુભેચ્છા પાઠવીએ છીએ. ખૂબ ખૂબ જીવનમાં તરક્કી કર અને વડીલોનું ધ્યાન રાખ. બસ આજ અમારી શુભેચ્છા. ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખી થા, ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખી થા. ભગવાન મારી સ્વામી તને સદાય અવિચળ ચડતી કરા રાખે. વિશ યુ વન્સ અગેન, વિશ યુ ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ એન્ડ વેરી હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. હેપી બર્થડે, 40th હેપી બર્થડે. થેન્ક યુ.
હેપી બર્થડે બેટા. પપ્પાએ તને ઘણું બધું કહી દીધું એટલે હવે મારે કાંઈ કહેવાનું રહેતું નથી. એ જ બધા મારા શબ્દો છે. તને હેપી બર્થડે વન્સ અગેન.
પ્રણવ, 40મા બર્થડેના ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. સાથે સાથે ભાઈ અને પરિવાર વચ્ચે જે પ્રેમ રહે છે તે પ્રેમ હંમેશા બની રહે તેવી મારી શુભેચ્છા. તારા જીવનનું જે લક્ષ્ય છે તે લક્ષ્યને તું બરાબર નિર્વિઘ્નપણે પાર કરે તેવી મારી પરમાત્માને પ્રાર્થના. અગેઇન હેપી 40th બર્થડે.
હેપી બર્થડે ટુ પ્રણવ.
હેપી બર્થડે પ્રણવ. સુખી રે, ખુશ થા. ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ બેટા.
Hey Pranav, Chote, happy birthday. You've been my partner in crime all these years. At 40 you become naughty. If you need any tips on how to get naughty, I can be your partner in crime. Let me know.
Wishing you a very very happy birthday. We really miss you. Wish you could have been here with us to celebrate your 40th birthday. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday Pranav bhai.
Happy birthday Pranav bhai. So you are entering your 40s, time to be naughties. Hope you enjoy your solo trip to Europe. हाँ, प्लान करना ना अभी 40 में पहुंच गए तो.
Okay. I'll also come.
सोलो ट्रिप का मतलब सोलो ट्रिप.
No.
हाँ?
I'll come. We'll go together.
भाई लोग दो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, बाकी लेडीज कोई भी ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते.
Okay. We'll see that. We'll see. Anyways, you enjoy your birthday. Okay?
चलो, have fun. This shows how unprepared we are for this video.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. हैप्पी बर्थडे जीजू.
હેપી બર્થડે જીજુ.
Happy birthday, Fufu.
Hi Jiju, happy 40th birthday. So I know you have aged 40, but don't worry, you are aging like a fine wine now, and you can still have a live life king size. You don't have to adjust to medium or small. मज़े करना ये 40th बर्थडे पे एंड एंजॉय करना एंड आई एम होपिंग टू सी यू सून इन इंडिया. बाय बाय.
विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे. मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
Hi bhai. Wish you happy birthday. Wish you good health, wealth
and good life today and always. May God bless you.
100 साल जियो.
Happy birthday, Panu.
Happy birthday, Pranav.
Happy 40th, Pranav.
Happy birthday, Pranav Mama.
Have a great day.
Hi Pranav, happy birthday. It's the fag end of the day. We are ready to go off to sleep. Too tired, no makeup. But wishes are always there for you, the best wishes. And it's your 40th birthday. So be as naughty as you can. But do not trouble Nupur. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Bye-bye.
Happy 40th, Pranav bhai.
Happy 40th, Pranav. Enjoy.
Hi Pranav, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with best health and wealth. And let's meet up soon. Maybe next year, Sathe birthday celebrate karsu. We all brothers and sisters should have a nice get together. Just brothers and sisters. And hope to meet you guys soon.
Wish you a very happy 40th, Pranav. I wish nothing but the best for you. Hope all your wishes come true. બહુ બધી મેમરીઝ છે અત્યારે તો right from the time we were babies સાથે મોટા થયા ups and downs બધું જોયું સાથે. One thing hasn't changed is our true unconditional love for each other. I genuinely hope the best for you and hope to see you soon and recreate the Goa memories. Happy birthday again.
Hey Pranav, a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Sorry for the very late message.
Hi Pranav bhai. Here's wishing a many happy returns of the day bhai. And it's your 40th birthday. I know it will be very special for you. So enjoy your day and have a birthday blast bhai. And take care.
Hey Jiju, happy birthday.
जीजू हैप्पी फैबुलस 40. एंजॉय योर डे. और
पार्टी
हम
कहाँ है?
हाँ पार्टी का इंतजार है अब हमें. जल्दी से पार्टी प्रिपेयर करो.
Enjoy your day. Bye.
बाय.
Hi Jiju, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. तो जब आपको टाइम मिले तो यूरोप घूमने आना और अच्छी चीज़ें ले आना यूएस से और फिर घूमते हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारी जगह देखने की. ठीक है, ओके बाय.
Happy 40th birthday. 40 થઈ ગયું તને ગાંડો. You know what Thegu means, na? When you used to sit there in the Weatherwell house and say, Ben, Thegu. And now it's 40 Thegu for my babu. Happy 40th birthday, Dikra. Wishing you the very best of everything. I love you and I thank you for all the love that you give me. Forever your Akka Ben. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Pranav. Stay blessed always.
Happy birthday, Pranav bhai.
Hey Tims, happy 40th birthday mate. Of the 40 years, I think I've known you for close to 20 years, be it at the start in college and then we clashed again at HP and more so in HP we started staying together as well. First at Old Airport Road and then in Ranagar. I believe those were the great 4-5 years that we spent along with Sujay and Saumil. But having said that, have a great time on this big day of yours. Enjoy the celebrations that Nupur has planned for you. I'm sure she's planned many more surprises for you on this big day. So have all the fun that you can. God bless, stay healthy and stay safe. Take care.
Hey Pranav, gosh, you're turning 40. बुढ़ा हो गया है, हो रहा है साले. अब तो आधा गंजा भी हो गया है. Now don't tell me you're 16 with 24 years of experience. That's pretty stale. भाई जिंदगी की भाग दौड़ में इतने साल निकल गए पता ही नहीं चला. But even today, I relish all our pranks and fun times spent with you. अपनी लॉरल हार्डी की जोड़ी. That loafing on your pinky, those late night Navratri Dandiya parties, the unforgettable Hera Fairy movie, our trips to Manipal and Hassan, शीला मैम के ट्यूशन्स और वो CA फाउंडेशन की क्लासेस. हे भगवान, the list is endless. Those memories are still so fresh that I often smile to myself thinking about them. I am so happy and so proud that you are doing so well in life that I really wish this is just the tip of the iceberg. May you scale heights taller than Everest, and may your life be filled with eternal happiness. God has blessed you with a lovely and caring wife Nupur and 2 lovely kiddos. Bhagwan kare you get all the khushi in the world and you remain smiling like this forever. Have a happy 40th birthday, buddy. Take care. Have a great life ahead.
Happy birthday, Pranav. This one is for you. We'll celebrate when we meet next. I've known you for more than 15 years and it has been amazing. All those phrases like brother from another mother or songs like Tere Jaisa Yaar Kahan, you actually personified them for me.
Hi Pranav, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you are able to enjoy the day with your family. Wishing you a long, healthy life ahead. Take care. Bye.
Hey Pranav, wishing you a very happy birthday. May the coming times be blessed with good health and fortune for you and your family. Thank you for being a great mentor and a great friend for me. I hope to see you soon when you are in Seattle or when we guys come back to New Jersey. Cheers.
Hey Pranav, many more happy returns of the day, buddy. Wish you all the very best.
Hi Pranav uncle, many happy returns of the day. Say hi to Nupur auntie also.
Hi Pranav uncle, many happy returns of the day. Say hi to Nupur auntie also.
Hi Pranav, a little birdie told me that someone is having a special birthday. Now, I'm not going to give away my sources, but I hear she's a pretty special lady. But my wishes for you is to have an amazing birthday with lots of love, laughter, and happiness, and best wishes for an awesome year ahead. Now listen, turning 40, it's not so bad. Just think of it as turning 18 with 22 years of experience. But seriously though, happy 40th birthday, Pranav. Cheers to 40.
My favorite papa. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Love you. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday to you जी, केक से तो लाओ जी, ऐसे ही तो तुम बूढ़े हो जाओगे, हमको उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है जी. हैप्पी बर्थडे फूफू. Happy birthday mama. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Pranav mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Pranav mama. Yay!
Happy birthday to the most wonderful mama in our family. More than just a mama, you are an amazing friend to me. Once again, happy birthday dear mama. May your life and you be happy forever. I love you. Miss you.
Happy.
Hello Papa, I'm play a song for you. Happy birthday Papa, I love you. Papa, happy.
Hi sweets, I wish you a very happy 40th birthday. 40 साल और इन 40 सालों में से आई एम सो लकी कि हम लोग 12 साल एक साथ में हैं और आगे सेंचुरी तक रहेंगे. कहते हैं कि 40s is a new 20s, so then you should feel that you are in your 20s and should feel as energized and refreshed, except कि थोड़े बाल कम है. Okay, I want to tell you that आप अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए एक जेम हो, द्युतित के लिए एक सुपर हीरो हो एंड ही अडोर्स यू अ लॉट। सायशा के लिए उसके साथ खेलने वाले, उसके साथ मस्ती करने वाले एक लिविंग टॉय हो, और मेरे लिए एक स्टार हो जो मुझे बोले बिना बोले समझ जाते हो और बहुत सारी चीज़ों में सपोर्ट करते हो। आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सिंग दिस सॉन्ग फॉर यू। जाने क्यों दिल जानता है तू है तो अब यार, I'll be alright, I'll be alright. Happy, very very happy birthday.